Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh and every week, I share strategies you can apply to improve your personal finance. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so that YouTube will notify you of new videos from me. Today we will be talking about how to budget for beginners and how to set up your own envelope system. The first thing you want to do is list all your incomes and expenses. Expenses could be credit card payments, utilities, rent or mortgage payments, car payments, insurance, grocery, health, personal care, etc. As per income, list all your income sources and also the frequency of your income. Some people are paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, etc. You must account for all your monthly incomes. Next, figure out the due dates for all your expenses and write these dates next to each expense. The next task is to figure out all your sinking funds. A sinking fund is an expense that you make on an annual basis, such as your vehicle registration, subscriptions, etc. Having a sinking fund ensures that you have the money when it's time to pay for these expenses. Now that we have identified our income, expenses, and sinking funds, we can now create a budget. The first thing you want to do is find out when each payment is due and calculate how much we must set aside from each paycheck to cover these expenses. For example, if you have an annual subscription of $60 per year, then you will divide this by the number of paychecks before this amount is due. If you feel that you have gotten value so far, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so that YouTube's algorithm will be happy and share this video with others. The next step now is to label your envelopes according to the expense type. For example, you will have an envelope for groceries, one for insurance, next for personal care, and so on. Keep in mind that a budget is the ultimate financial management tool. A carpenter uses a set of house plans to build a house. If he didn't, the bathroom might get overlooked. A rocket scientist would never begin construction on a new rocket without a detailed set of design plans and specifications. However, most of us go about blindly without a clue on how to safeguard our personal finance and grow wealth. Not very smart of us, is it? A money plan is called a budget, and it is essential for getting us to our desired financial goals. Without a plan, we drift without direction and end up marooned on a distant financial reef. If you have a spouse or a significant other, you should create a budget together. It's very concerning that most couples never talk about money or having a financial plan. Financial stress is one of the leading causes of divorce today. Sit down and figure out what your joint financial goals are, such as your short-term and long-term goals. Then create your plan to get to those goals. Every journey begins with one step, and the first step to attaining your goals is to create a realistic budget that both of you can live with. A budget should never be a financial starvation diet because it won't work for the long haul. Make reasonable allocations for food, clothing, shelter, utilities, and insurance, and set aside a reasonable amount for entertainment and occasional luxury item. Savings should always come first before spending. Or as the saying goes, pay yourself first. Even a small amount saved will help you reach your short-term and long-term financial goals. You can find many budgeting forms and budgeting software online. These resources are readily available to you. If you found value in this video, all I ask is that you share this video with friends, family, or anyone you think might find value in this video. I would like to take this time to thank you all for your support. It's been truly amazing. You all are awesome, thank you so much, and let's grow my channel together. The next video on the screen now contains more information you are really going to love. Click and watch that video now and I will see you there.